Therese here. So look, it's Winter Wonderland here. We're now in Sapporo. It's so hard to look for resources online on where to go, how to go there, and everything. There are very few resources online. That's why I'm doing this video. I'm gonna show you around Sapporo, and I'm gonna share a DIY itinerary to you guys for you to plan your next trip here. So right now I will take you to the places that people go to here in Sapporo. So let's go. Hi guys, so we're back here in front of Niho Fish Market because the other day that I was here, everything was closed. It's because pala, they open at 6 or 5 in the morning and close at around 10 to 11. That's why when I was here back in my first day, when it was about 1 p.m. that time, everything was closed. You would see Niho Fish Market here in front of Tanukikoji Shopping Center 1. So it's just across the street. So our first stop for the day is Hokkaido Shrine, but you will pass Maruyama Park going to Hokkaido Shrine. It was quite a walk going to the main shrine, but there are many places that you would pass by like this one. There are places for specific intentions, I think. I'm not really sure, but they have specific intentions, they have prayers, they have things that they're doing that I'm not aware of. That's why I'm really cautious when I was filming these videos. Alright, now we're already in front of Hokkaido Shrine. Around the shrine, there were stalls like this one where you can find lucky charms and things they use for their prayers, like this one and this one. There was a booth selling prayers there, and then you will hang the prayers in here. Let's get a Outside the shrine, you will pass by many food stalls on the way back to the train station. But as for me, I looked for something hot because I was freezing during this time. So I got hot rice wine. Now off we go to our next stop. So we're now here at Shirai Kaibita Park. This is where Ishiya Chocolate Factory is. We're actually in Ishiya Chocolate Factory, but only a part of it is open for the public right now because it's under renovation. The famous thing to buy here is this one, Kaibita biscuits. Time to explore the park outside. The place was so nice and there were so much places to take photos in, but I was all alone, so I just walked around. It was getting so cold, so I had to look for something indoor, so I had my little snack time here. So cute. There are small houses that you can go into. So let's take a picture in one. Look at the small houses. They even have a small stove. Look! It has a small bed and a small chair. Look at me. I'm squatting right now because it's really small. Let's keep the door closed. So it's really so cold. We ordered soft serve ice cream. I took the time to eat the ice cream slowly because it was freezing cold, and it was the time for me to think of how thankful I am to have this trip. It was a solo trip, but it was really fun. On to our last stop. We are in Hokkaido University because it's one of the famous universities here in Sapporo, and every time I go outside of my country, I see to it that I have one day where I see how the student life is in the place that I'm visiting. Time for my last meal here before my last minute shopping. For my last minute shopping, I went to all the shopping places like the JR Tower. And in downtown Sapporo, where there are many department stores like Marui Mai and Parco over there. And lastly, we went to Tanuki Koji Shopping Arcade. But I have to say that after all the window shopping, I just ended up in this one, my favorite store, 2nd Street. It's a vintage shop with very, very cheap finds. It's our last night, so we can do this. That was a nice glittery bat. So right in here, here's my room. In here, we have a snowy view every day. It's always snowing. When you wake up, everything's covered with snow. I got everything packed already, that's why everything's there. And I already charged this, charged that, and we're ready to go back to the Philippines. So we're just waiting for the bus. Finally here.